So here is the thing. First of all, forgive me for the drone that's flying in the sky. I don't know if you can hear it. I guess you do. And today we're gonna talk about this remote control from I bought it from Navi in AliExpress. Navi is my multimedia here. She's dirty, but she's worked pretty well. This is the NF2 from Navi, and it's pretty good. But I have this problem. First of all, I have my microphone here and I have the wired connection here, so not very limited access to the already not that great touch buttons. So what we'll do today is gonna try to fix this thing. Hopefully it will fit in my cup holder here, and if not, we'll find another solution. But I want the physical buttons. This is what I wanted from the start, and now I have the chance to make it. So we'll see how it's complicated to put it inside. Let's see what's inside the box. So as usual, there's a instructions here, which is here is very important because we need to know what to connect to what. And nice padding here. And we got the device itself. The quality is okay. I don't like this shiny, plasticky thing. And the pressing is, how would you say it? It's not a Mercedes-Benz, but it's okay. It will make the job done, and it's not flimsy. It's got the tactile feeling to it, but the pressing feels cheap. Okay, so let's look inside this cup. And we can see the AAA battery compartment, which I already filled with batteries, fresh batteries, and the slave here that connects to the unit inside. So let's take this Navi and connect it to the buttons. Come on. So quick check, and this thing is working. I don't know if you can see the light right now, but it should react. But it does have a backlighting. If you have a problem, use it in the dark, no problem. Should secure it somehow, but fits in the cup holder, so that's all good. And if not, we'll find something, like this one, a little bit far, or meanwhile I'll keep it here and we'll see how it goes. So let's take this thing apart. I bought some tools and see how it connects. Basically it's 3 wires. So red for the ACC, black for the ground, and white for the key. Let's go. So first mistake, I didn't bring a flat screwdriver to release this one, but I made it anyway. And this is Suzuki Swift, year 2007. Yeah, I know it's old. Luckily I found the right wires. So red, this is the power one, and luckily I could see that here on the orange one it says Q1, and of course the ground, the black beefy cable here. So 3 wires and it should be okay. Now I have to find a way to make it nice without damaging the original radio wires. This is the car wiring, by the way. So in the car, if you don't have this wire, this is the green one here, and the white one there, white, and maybe have some stripes here, but this, you can see the location under the black wire there. There is the green one, and the black to the black, minus to minus. Okay, let's find a pretty way to do it. So as you see, I haven't been so professional, just make this knife, and bit by bit, very easy, very slowly and with real caution, I try to expose some of the wire. Don't do it if you are not skilled with cutting wire. Better get a new harness or something. But it will work. Not that nice, not that strong, but it will work. And I'll do this for the rest of the wires. This is the result. Yeah, I know it's not professional. I should get some, pressing plastics, but I haven't got them here, and I'm not gonna wait anymore. So the method that I use, I expose some of the wires very, very slowly, very easy. Do it as slow as you can, bit by bit. Better not cut it all the way, then cut it and make it loose. You split them into two wires, and then you start twisting until it gets to this point. Then you take the rest and just turn it around as I did here. And as you can see, I'm gonna isolate it further away. The next one I'm gonna do a little bit downward, that they won't be in the same line, and it will be easier to work with. So this is the second one, and you can see I did the red one, the AAC, and the this one. And for the black one, you can connect it to the body of the vehicle, like this one maybe, but I'm gonna connect it anyway to the black line. But you can really get away, and it's even better to connect it to the car's body, metal body, of course. So let's go on. So I connected the last wire, and let's see if this thing even works. So let's turn on the ignition first. So it's been 2 days from the installation, and as you can see, I installed a new screen protector. So let's take a look at the remote control operations. So getting into settings, general. This is my device, you can have it otherwise in your device. Steering wheel, and the method here, you should press the button or move it somewhere and get the right operation here afterwards. Please hold the button on the steering wheel, and then you have to press the operation. Now I programmed all the operations here, so let me explain. Okay, so I took this answering button and I applied it to the on off. Then the next one is the source button. Minus and plus volume is this button. To the sides, play, it's play, pause, of course. Backwards, you can see it here. Forward, you can see it here. And what else? And the home screen. Actually, the home screen was applied to this button, and the source is this button. But I want something to get me to FM, so I'll have to, give up on one of the actions. So I think I'll pass with the home button or the source. I think the source, because I don't use it anymore. So I'll press the source button and I'll choose the FM. Source button. You can see it's yellow, and then I can choose the FM, and you can see the 4 number has moved to here. So you have to make it at the same time. Now the only thing I didn't solve is that I want to connect to my audio Android Auto app, and it's here. Where is it? Where is it? The only thing I didn't solve is I want to connect to my Android Auto app, and this is here, but I didn't manage to get some command to do this. So if you know how to do it, please let me know in the comments. And let me show you how I install the screen protector here. Okay, now for the last step, I want to install this screen protector. So this is a 10.1 inch. This is the product. I guess it fits the most of the Android units, like this one, Navi Fly NF. So if you have this rounded sides of the head unit, it should be okay. So let's see how this thing fits on my screen. So quick unboxing of the screen protector. So of course the accessories, the dust stickers, and the alcohol padding, and of course the screen protector itself. Let's see the fit. I will remove the old one as soon as I have this one prepared. So that's a perfect fit. Let's hope the after installation it will be more transparent. We should notice the mic and the reset holes here. Let's put an align stickers and try to fit it out. Some cleaning here for the guide stickers here that will stick well. Guided stickers, including one of my own made. Yeah, I would say it's an almost perfect fit. The size here are not the best, but this is the best we can do in this dusty environmental. A lot of construction work around here, so this is the best we can get. Just clean this thing and it's already looks better than the older one. Let's turn off the guides and let's see, clean it up and see how it works. So as you can see, almost perfect fit. You know, you shouldn't go up to the corners like I did. You got a little tiny gap here that in time will fill up with dust. Let's focus. Okay, so now we can see it. But overall I'm really satisfied that the screen is clear. Open it up. Yeah, and the keys are very responsive actually. I'm pretty surprised here. So I got the new remote here and I got the new screensaver here, and the buttons are much more responsive. And I installed a new microphone here. If you want a really good sound, I will put the link for the best microphone in the description. You can get it on Amazon. It's like $30, depends on where you live. So overall, I really like this device. It makes my life easier. The volume is much more accurate. I can turn on the device very easy and fast. Very easy and fast. The volume is also as very responsive. Also the truck forward, backward is very great. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Write me in a comment, what do you think? Do you have a better solution? And I'll see you in the next time, in the next video. Bye for now. Have fun.